Okay, I think this area is called Travessa, this Dalias, which is this little alley right here. We're in this green island. It's very, 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 very industrial. I think, is that an industrial building as well? Maybe. You can see the wall, you know, so it looks kind of interesting. So we're gonna walk towards this way, and I think it goes like this and like that, but we'll find out in a minute. So stay tuned. Let's put this up on the map so you can see another slice of Macau. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. He just gave me a big smile. I wish I would have caught that. Like an older guy with a nice bike helmet and bike everything. So we're gonna go into here, and I just feel like it's gonna be like dogs in here. It's really industrial. I don't even know if I want to walk down it. Okay. So I think that this is going to go all the way. It's actually a home right there. Somebody's on the. I think it's going to end on the map. On the map it says that it goes like this and then down like this way and around, but I think it's going to end right here. And I think it's going to be dogs. Let me just see here. I think it's, I don't know, this looks like all private property, so I think this is all Dálias. We'll end the video. So the map right there says Travessa das Dálias. So we're just going to keep that really short. Since it's a little bit confusing exactly what it is, but that would be the Dalias street, and we'll just film it nonetheless. But that was actually the street we just walked it. So this would be kind of a short one. But we're up in Green Island, so nice bike. Check out that motorcycle. It's really cool. Okay, we'll end it right there.